Hello there, my name is Karina Jose, and I'm going to be sharing my research findings and insights from this latest project. This is my school ID right here. Different hair, but still me. So after going through a sample size of approximately 200 people, and after going through 8 different states, we analyzed certain buying behaviors and consuming behaviors between genders and ages of people who were divorced, in a relationship, married, single, or widowed. And we looked at how that impacted which drinks they consumed. So whether they consumed carbonated drinks or sports drinks, or even sparkling flavored water drinks, iced tea. And when we look at the genders here, we can see that the average ages are actually very close together. We have 43.6 approximately for females, and then for males approximately 42.6. So it's only one off from each other. And then when we look at the states, we see that Louisiana actually leads these 8 states by having 44 cold beverages per day for those who were surveyed in that state. And then the least, coming at 19, shared between North Carolina and Florida. And for age and marital status, we notice that those who were widowed actually were in the top percentile, so they were around 49.2, which was actually the average age for those who were widowed. But those who were either in a relationship or married actually shared close age ranges between each other. And just to keep everything inclusive, for divorced relationship statuses, the average age was 41.7, and for single, it was 44.5. So one thing that I found that was very interesting was the fact that if we look here on the second dashboard, you notice here that depending on the state, those who were actually married, either married or in a domestic relationship, both consume more cold beverages. And when we look at the states here, we can see that Mississippi, Alabama, and Tennessee all have the highest ages. And when we look at these ages, we can see a certain trend where these ages, whether it's from 44.5 or either 44.8 or 44.2, we've noticed that they share similar patterns in why they choose certain drinks and certain drinking behaviors.